Okay, let's talk about something. Why does everyone steal my content so much? Like, bro or girl, I literally make vids sometimes with my text of my credit, and even people still the ones watching the wrong vid wouldn't notice the text credit of me. That is my problem. Sorry guys, I forgot my eyes. I mean my pupils. And why would I know? Because there's literally a button, a remix button making me know how many people steal my content. I hate you, green screeners, extended AI dummies, and last of all, collapse. And I seriously don't like this. Cause guys, you steal my content every freaking vid. Bruh. Like, why would you? I just wanted peace and more voice act vids don't get any remixes. Just get out.